Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I meet my friend at the park. I meet my friend at the park. We sit at the wooden table. We sit at the wooden table. I look at the clock. I look at the clock. My hat is on the bench. My hat is on the bench. The cat is on the wall. The cat is on the wall. We walk on the path. We walk on the path. The coin is in the jar. The coin is in the jar. The ball is in the net. The ball is in the net. We play in the garden. We play in the garden. I rest in the chair. I rest in the chair. I look at the stars. I look at the stars. The teapot is on the stove. The teapot is on the stove. I write on the paper. I write on the paper. My shoes are in the box. My shoes are in the box. I am in the kitchen. I am in the kitchen. I put sugar in the tea. I put sugar in the tea. I look at the old photo. I look at the old photo. I am at the library. The book is on the shelf. The book is on the shelf. I find a map in the book. I find a map in the book. Sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. My elbows are on the table. My elbows are on the table. I keep my pens in a cup. I keep my pens in a cup. I am at the museum. I am at the museum. The painting is on the wall. The painting is on the wall. The statue is in the hall. The statue is in the hall. I look at the art. I look at the art. I stand at the bus stop. I stand at the bus stop. I am at my office desk. I am at my office desk. The laptop is on the table. The laptop is on the table. My files are in the drawer. My files are in the drawer. I stand at the kitchen counter. I stand at the kitchen counter. The pan is on the stove. The pan is on the stove. The soup is in the pot. The soup is in the pot. I am at the garden shed. I am at the garden shed. Water is on the leaves. Water is on the leaves. The plants are in the pot. The plants are in the pot. I stand at the airport gate. I stand at the airport gate. I am at the train station. I am at the train station. My bag is on the seat. My clothes are on the seat. I am in the taxi. I am in the taxi. I am at the grocery store. I am at the grocery store. The fruit is on the scale. The fruit is on the scale. The apples are in the bag. The apples are in the bag. I am at the reception desk. I am at the reception desk. The sign is on the door. The sign is on the door. I am in the elevator. I am in the elevator. I look at the computer screen. I look at the computer screen. I am at the restaurant. I am at the restaurant. The menu is on the table. The menu is on the table. The spoon is in the bowl. The spoon is in the bowl. I stand at the garden gate. I stand at the garden gate. The bird is on the branch. The bird is on the branch. The seeds are in the dirt. The seeds are in the dirt. I am at the post office. I am at the post office. The stamp is on the letter. The stamp is on the letter. The letter is in the box. The letter is in the box. I look at the horizon. I look at the horizon.